So guys, quickly share ko lang sa inyo experience ko dito sa Watch Series H12 ni Trendscal. So, buksan muna natin, no? Makita mo, nakasulat dito, Watch Series H12. Everything na kailangan mo malaman, from the straps niya, yung mga basic function niya, lahat nandito. So, kung meron kayo hindi alam, just check the manual. And yung strap niya looks like this. And meron din siyang charger, okay? Charging brick. Now, ito ang kanyang module, okay? So, on this side, meron siya yung dial ring, meron siya yung kanyang button, okay? Dito yung pangkabit ng strap and sa ilalim. Ito on the side. Kabit lang natin itong strap. No? Mabilis lang siya ikabit. No? Yan lang siya. Snap na siya. No? So, very easy siya. Very user-friendly. And so, in order to change your watch face, hold mo lang. So, you can change to your favorite watch face now. Yan. So, you can change like this one. Ganito lang siya. When you press this button, nandito yung mga menu, no? So, yan. So, you can check apps dito. Okay? So, you even have calculator like this one, which sometimes comes in handy. No? Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung calculator niya. Ito, no? Most of the time, handy siya. Useful. And siya, shortcut button siya, makita mo yung ibang stats mo dito, battery, no? And all of the other stats na kailangan mo malaman, lahat nandito, no? So, if you want to start your year right, okay, and go on fitness. It will also monitor yung heart monitoring natin, no? So, and blood oxygen level, kaya-kaya ni monitor. Pwede mo rin connect sa yung smartphone to receive notification kung may calls ka and messages. Market looking for a really good na watch to start your year right. Check this one out. Series 12 Watch H12 ni Trendscal. So